Looking to boost your tool collection? In this video, we bring you the top 5 best cordless ratchet wrenches built for power, speed, and reliability. Perfect for car repairs, home projects, and more. Let's jump in and find the right tool for you. Item number 5. Introducing the LYUWO LWJN12 Cordless Torque Wrench. Powered by a 12-volt 1.5-hour battery, this lightweight tool weighs just 1.2 kilograms. It delivers a rated torque of 45 newmeters and spins up to 380 RPM. Designed with a 3/8-inch chuck, it's perfect for removing screws and nuts during car repairs. Featuring fast charging within 1-2 hours, it includes wrench sockets of 12mm, 13mm, 14mm, and 17mm. Certified with CE standards, the LYUWO ensures power, precision, and portability. Item number 4. Introducing the Langstar Rechargeable Electric Wrench, built for home DIY projects. Featuring a rubberized handle for a comfortable, non-slip grip, it ensures fatigue-free use even over long periods. The 3-dimensional heat dissipation design releases heat from both sides, protecting the machine from overheating. With a one-handed speed switch, enjoy infinitely variable speed control for precision work. Powered by a battery and certified safe, the Langstar wrench combines comfort, control, and reliability for all your repair needs. Item number 3. Introducing the powerful 12-volt cordless right-angle ratchet wrench. Delivering up to 200 newmeters torque and 2300 RPM speed, it tackles nuts and bolts with ease. Equipped with two 1500 mAh lithium batteries, fast charging, and a 7-piece socket set, it's perfect for car repairs, stage setups, and mechanical maintenance. The ergonomic, non-slip handle ensures comfortable one-handed use, while the LED light improves visibility in dark spaces. Forward and reverse switches make operation quick and simple, enhancing efficiency on every job. Item number 2. Introducing the Robustru 3/8-inch cordless electric wrench, delivering up to 60 newmeters of torque and 400 RPM speed for powerful performance. Featuring a 6-inch extended neck for tight spaces, it's perfect for car repairs and home DIY. Equipped with two 2000 mAh rechargeable batteries, it offers up to 4 hours of continuous use. Built-in LED lights ensure clear visibility in dark areas. With an ergonomic, non-slip grip and a complete toolkit, Robustru makes every task easier and faster. Item number 1. Unleash power with the 12-volt cordless right-angle ratchet wrench. Featuring 40 newmeters of torque and a blazing 2300 RPM, it tackles bolts and nuts fast, even in tight spaces. Equipped with two 1500 mAh batteries, fast charging, and a 7-piece socket set, it's built for car repairs, stage setups, and mechanical jobs. The ergonomic, non-slip grip and built-in LED light ensure maximum comfort and visibility. Lightweight, powerful, and ready for action. Dominate every task with ease. Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Subscribe this channel.